Welcome back to Vyshlo. To list a new item, next navigate to the user menu at the top right, look under the Lister section and select My Listings. Click the Create Listing button to launch the product upload form. Begin filling out the basic details for your item. Enter a descriptive title, then add a thorough description detailing the outfit's styling, embroidery work, and best occasions for wear. Scroll down to the classification section to categorize your item. Select the product type, choose the exact product type from the drop-down list, confirm your main product category, and pick a specific subcategory. Now, it's time to add your media. Click the File Upload fields to select clear photos of your outfit from multiple angles, including the front view and back view. Once your photos load successfully, scroll down to enter your product variants, set your inventory quantity, pick the correct sizing, choose the primary color, and select the garment material. Under Availability and Pricing, set your listing options and type in your sale price. Scroll to the Location fields, choose your zone from the menu, and confirm your default pickup address. Click Save Listing to create your product entry. Your newly uploaded product will appear on your dashboard as a draft. Click the three dots next to the item and select Publish. A green notification will confirm that your listing has been submitted for review. The product will then be sent for admin review and approval. Once approved, a green notification will confirm that your listing is live. To view the product, click the three dots again and select View. You can verify how your product appears on the platform by using the View option. To track customer orders and manage the complete fulfillment process, open your user menu and click Lister Orders. From there, you can easily manage all your orders and ready for pickup requests.